How to fix the privacy error on Roblox Mobile. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now basically the steps for the mobile version or the web version of Roblox is the same. First things first, you can just go ahead and open up the website or the Roblox mobile application. And once inside, you want to click on the gear icon and this menu will show up. You can just go ahead and click on your settings, which is basically the account settings on our Roblox. And once inside, you will then have these subcategories right here. You can just go ahead and look for the privacy options. Inside privacy, if your account is having the privacy error problem, you can just go ahead and make sure that this account restrictions are disabled. Right after, go ahead and click on communications and you want to click on default. It will then prompt you to enter your account pin for the privacy right here. But if this is your first time changing this settings, you will then be prompted to enter the pin for this settings. In my case, I'll just go ahead and do that. So right after that, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.